Hello there. In this video I'm gonna take and let everybody see inside the low voltage 5 output power supply that's been residing on the workbench here for now on 15 plus years, and it's one I built about 15 years ago because didn't have any factory built stuff, so been working here doing its thing for as long as I can remember. So I'm gonna take the thing out of its place, take the cover off, let everybody see what I built here about 15 years ago. Here's the insides of it. You can see the front there, and the back has a fuse and heat sink, power transformer, rectifier, assembly, filter capacitors, and the actual box that the thing is built on was bought at a Hamfest, and someone had tried to build a antenna tuner in the box, not very successfully, so I just took all the antenna tuner parts out, and then when I needed a supply, I took and outfitted it as such with 4 potentiometers on the front, power switch, and all the binding post on the front for the 2 positive outputs, 2 negative outputs, and the 1 positive 5 volt output. Didn't do much on labeling though. Back then I didn't really believe in labeling much, so no real description on the front. Someone else gets a supply, they'll be scratching their head, what the heck does this or that do? But on the internals, I pretty much used 741 op amps for the voltage control and current control on each of the channels. There's 2 op amps per output channel, 2 for the each of the 2 positive ones, 2 for each of the 2 negative ones, which total of 8 op amps in this supply. And you made it on breadboards, prototype boards. The actual output transistors are mounted on a piece of aluminum channel sandwiched to the back opposite the outside heatsink. Power transformer, of course, here stuff, but it was built to be relatively robust, and in 15 years of operation I haven't managed to break it or hook something to it bad enough to make something let go in the supply. Used 2 8-ohm resistors for the current sense on the negative side, and the current sense on the positive side is those resistors here. I think probably 4 ohm is what I used on those. And that's pretty general overview. On the bottom of the supply, if you turn it over, I have all the outputs coming out of the top of the supply and going to a little proto board where I've got some bleed resistors and some final filter caps and some diodes, reverse protection diodes here before the outputs fan out to the respective binding posts. And I have the 5 volt regulator, which I just bolted willy-nilly to the bottom plate of the case, getting its supply from the rectifier assembly and outputting its voltage to the 5 volt binding post. So relatively simple construction, but as they say, keep it simple, stupid. And simple construction has managed to last 15 plus years. Still working, and probably gonna still continue to work. Take care. Take it easy.